Hey everyone, Renee here from the Chronicle team. Today I want to show you how you can tidy up your slides in seconds using our new layout tools, Snaplines and Tidy Up. If you've used tools like Figma before, then I'm sure you'll appreciate these new features. So the first feature I want to show is Snaplines. One of the biggest frustrations with freeform canvas tools is trying to eyeball everything. So we've introduced these outlines and snaplines where you'll then see the edges of the canvas as well as seeing the relationships between text and image widgets. So this is really handy and you won't need to nudge left and right and wonder the spacing between all of the widgets. The next is Tidy Up, which is personally one of my favorite features. This is perfect when you're working with multiple widgets, whether it's logos or cards or headshots, feature shots, product screenshots, anything that's multi-column. So for example, say that I'm building a logo slide for the sales deck. I've just dropped a bunch of logos here. All you need to do is click Tidy Up in this menu and let's go and click Pile. Then actually I want to see it as a grid. And it'll immediately organize it for me and I can move it around. Actually, maybe I'll prefer to see it as a bit more of a logo carousel, so I can move it down here and that will leave me space to add some more text here. This one saves me a lot of time personally.